Trent, how are you doing?
Pretty
Good
good,
to
man.
see you.
Good to see you too.
Thank you so much. I have the pleasure today to talk with Kiran, a data engineer from Toyota. Right? Am I correct?
Pleasure is mine, man. Thank you.
All right, great. All right, so I'm gonna start with first question. Let's go a little bit back to your background. Where did you grow up? When you came to USA, and also tell me about the journey of your to become a data engineer in America.
Sure, thanks. So I grew up in India, so I was into electrical engineering first, and I was just trying to find my job, and unfortunately I didn't find any job, so I was like jobless for like 8 months.
Wow.
And then later I thought, okay, I'll give something in IT, so I joined tech, and I joined in Cognizant Technology Solutions
Okay.
as a tech support firstly.
Okay.
And I worked around 3.5 to 4 years in tech industry
All right.
in the starting of my career,
Okay.
and I got a couple of promotions there, and then I was a tech lead in
Perfect.
the tech issues, and later I was like kind of bored with myself and bored with my job, so I thought I want something new, so I just started looking into top 10 highest paying salaries in USA,
Wow.
so that
Okay.
I thought I'll because I know USA is land of opportunities, so I
Yeah.
thought I'll just do my masters and then try to switch my career,
Right.
and then I'm here.
Okay. Great. Well, you have had a very inspiring background. You know,
Mhm.
coming from India and becoming a data engineer here, doing
Mhm.
your master here. Yeah. All right. So, what made you to? Because technology is a big like, field,
Yeah.
right? And what made you to become a data engineer? Why
Yeah.
you choose data engineer?
That's actually a good question. Like I said, I was looking into numbers first, and then obviously, I was like, I was more into big data first. So I was wondering, all my phone, all my data, and all my like bank details and everything, it comes and stores in a place. I don't know where. I was really intrigued where my data is going, right? Like for example, if I reach from one destination to another, everything's getting recorded in my Google, and it's giving you suggestions according to it.
Right.
So I was just intrigued where it's going. So this was all before the AI thing, right?
Right.
So back in 2017, AI, and I mean there was, I know there was AI papers written on AI and
Yeah.
things, but I've never practically used it by myself.
Okay.
But I thought, okay, data, okay, I know it every day data is getting stored. I don't know where it's getting stored, so I want to know more about data.
Okay.
And I did a certification course back in 2017. It was AI Microsoft Azure
Okay.
certification. It was a
Okay.
professional certification. So I worked hard. I like learned a lot actually.
Okay.
It was amazing, like looking into data like every day, like the way it's stored, the way it's processed. Like I felt like there's more, like looking from now to 10 to 15 years, there's a lot of scope in data field.
Right.
So
Okay, great. You mentioned a few interesting things. First, you were wondering that where my data is getting stored,
that's right.
and that imagination or that thought took you today, that where you are today, right?
Right.
And you mentioned big data as well, and I'm sure that it is one of the tool of data engineering, right?
Right.
So tell me about tools in the data engineering. What is the fundamental of data engineering? If someone wants to become a data engineer today, what path they should take?
That's right. Firstly, they should be intrigued with data. Like they should be really interested. What are they going to do about data, and how are they going to take insights from the data, right? Like
Okay.
you should just see as like, how do you solve a particular problem? What's the best way? If you have that interest, then you can become a data engineer. So talking about tools, so I feel like in 2024, I think it's Python is everywhere. Like so, Python. I think previously we used to learn R, Java, and Python, but at presently I feel like Python is a cutting edge, and that's like I feel it's like every data aspirant should learn Python.
Okay.
and obviously SQL. SQL is like a bread and butter for each and every person in data and data engineering. And also, I feel Excel is like very. I feel everybody needs to learn Excel. Excel is like not just putting some calculator. There's more to do with Excel. You can do even modeling with Excel. So,
Okay. Great.
so I feel these are the 3 skills which are really important. And also in 2024, I feel like cloud is taking because nobody wants to handle their in-house data in their own platform. So people are trying to move to cloud. I feel most of them are in cloud already.